Welcome to the Crypto Andrew channel. Why does the camera look so bad? What is going on? Um, Let me share my screen really quickly. There we go. It looks a little bit better now. Now that's focused. Let's go over here and look at Bitcoin and kind of see what's going on. Let me go over and get the music going. Better go live on TikTok as well. I do want to let you guys know we are streaming on both TikTok and on YouTube. I also want to let you guys know that we do have a Discord if you guys want to join that, which is my trading group, which I post to every day with trade setups and how I see the market and Bitcoin updates. You can join that through my YouTube. Crypto Andrew 333 is a new channel name. With that being said, let's also go and check out the 16. It was in the mid 30s, I think, the other day, and now we're back down to 31. So we're still in fear, but not extreme fear. And like again, I don't really care unless it's an extreme fear, like it was the other day, or less extreme greed. In the middle, it's just whatever. It's just chop. It's consolidation. So right now, I appreciate if you guys hit the likes. Guys are watching YouTube. It does help support the channel. Let's go over and look at Bitcoin. And I'm going to start on the weekly time frame and kind of work our way down. So I did clear this chart because I think it's going to be easier to see when I do that. Right now, we do have a time frame coin with the measure move, and we'll rechart it. Let's just see what the measure move is. I think it's about 100. Let's just go full screen on this. It's going to be easier to do what we want to do. And I would say the last and $1,000. That's $108,000 is the measure move. If you take it, that would be your measure move on a Bitcoin. If you want to be really conservative, you could say that you measure another chart. I thought it was 102,000. That's kind of what we're looking at for Bitcoin on the weekly time, 106,000. So we're the most recent price action. You have a local low at 48,000, basically 49,000, and you have resistance at 70 last local high. Also have a few local lows down there at $56,000 for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now has to break 56,000. I also see more resistance right there at 70,300. So stock RSI, I'm trying to get rid of one of these. That's which one I want. So the stock RSI is oversold on the weekly 21, the continuation to the upside on the weekly. Is well above the 200. The 21, it did lose it. And the stock RSI is still in the bull pennant on the 3-day time frame. And you're pretty much getting close on the 3-day time frame on Bitcoin. We'll see what happens, but like that's what I'm looking at. 2-day, same thing. Nothing has really changed. Daily's kind of struggling here. Across, but it usually is a lagging indicator. I would just keep it pretty simple. As long as Bitcoin is in this bull pennant, the does not look good to me either. Let me just go back. So again, that would be a local low there at $57,300 for Bitcoin, which is going to be 63,000 exactly. Basically, that's kind of what we're looking at right now for Bitcoin price action. So again, I'm more bullish. Midterm, I'm more bullish. Short term, I do see more upside. Um, I guess midterm, I'm kind of into some short term. $60 on Bitcoin. So short term and more bullish. Midterm, if we can break $60,700. So that's what's going on for Bitcoin this week. That's what. So some of these are the ones that did pretty well today. LRD was one of them. Let me go see if there's. You guys we go live we go live the time we start on the weekly time frame. To 60 or get back with $16.37. Your or high to income. Really, on the macro time frame for AVAX has to break back above $34, we'll call it, to remain bullish or be bullish, because that would be a higher high. AVAX makes a higher high, like on the higher time frames. Even on the weekly, AVAX after if you break 34, then your next resistance 8-hour time frame is kind of struggling. So again, this is a rounded top on AVAX right now, telling me that it's likely that AVAX is gonna make black. And that's just what I entry looked at. And have I? I don't know. It doesn't sound right. Coin right now? Let me know. Oh, this doesn't. Um. So here we go. Phantom right now is at 34 cents and in a downtrend going down. Okay. Weekly time frame looks lower. Well, actually, technically, your last low on the weekly was 17 cents, right? So let's just map out the support and the resistance. 1, 2, 3 times you bottom there. Can we make it a fourth, or are we going to